Quick introduction how to do this assignment here. So right here is the SDS sheet that you're going to look at to complete this item. To complete this and change this and make this work, I'm going to double click on it. It's a Google drawing. So I've entered the information in some spots here where you got to put some text. So you just click on the text, you can change the text. These here, you got to put the numbers in. So you got to find the numbers from section 16. From section 2 is over here. So you look at number 2 if it's a warning, if it's a danger, or if it's not applicable. Over here we have section 2 as well. So how we fill these in is you're going to go to do a shape, and you're going to do an equation. And you're going to do an X for the equation. So let's say it was not applicable for this first chemical. So I'm going to drag an X out. Make sure it's nice and big. You can still see not applicable, but you can see the X. Change the color to black. And that's how I can create that X. Now, if you don't like to change the color, but I can do a copy and a paste. And then I get another X, and I can put them in over here if there's stuff to put them on. So that's how you work with a Google drawing. When you're completed, hit save and close, and it'll show up right here.